Everyone, welcome back to Latch and Loop. Today we're checking out the TC Electronic JUNE-60. It's simple, it's stylish, kind of like me really. Well, 1 out of 2 ain't bad. The pedal itself is very reasonably priced. We're looking at about £60 or £40 or thereabouts on the second-hand market. So what is the JUNE-60? TC Electronic basically asked, what if we take one of the most iconic chorus effects ever and made it fit on your pedal board? It takes its inspiration directly from the chorus circuit on the Roland Juno-60 synthesizer. The pedal gives you 3 options. We've got button 1 that gives you that gentle widening shimmer. Button 2 gets deeper, more dramatic, full of 80s movie soundtrack energy. Hit both buttons together and you get that classic Juno swirl. Now, I know the phrase built like a tank gets used a lot, but this thing really is. As you can see, this poor little guy is battered and bruised from travelling through the post in literally a plastic bag. But that's enough talk, let's give it a listen. So, is the JUNE-60 linked to the Roland Juno? Absolutely. It's basically a chorus pedal love letter to the Juno-60's built-in analogue chorus. Simple, lush, and unmistakably 1980s. If you want that vintage flavour without carrying around a massive synth, then this little box of tricks will work for you. Well, that's us all done for today. Thank you for watching. My name's Dave. This is Latch and Loop. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.